Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about our project Cloud Logger Cell Tower Hut. Two procedures, me, Xinzhen, and Deep. First of all, why I want to build this project. I was reading the news feed from the professor posting. What is Raspberry Pi? I did the research. I think it was too much work and I don't think I can do it. Meanwhile, I asked myself, why not to have a try? After researching on it, I find out it was quite interesting. That is small module board can do a lot. In our project, there is less cost effect on monitoring remote locations, temperature, and humidity, such as water leaking from the roof, rather than hiring a person to monitor there. Then we will see the system architecture. The first one is our Raspberry Pi 3. Then here the Azure Cloud part. The Azure Cloud part has three main function technique metric. The first one, the IoT hub, is virtually can connect back to our end to our Raspberry Pi 3B. Then, Stream Analyst is taking our local temperature sensor of detect real-time temperature as an input to Analyst, then output to Power BI. Then Power BI can connect the local sensor reading data and transform them into the chart or graphs. This system architecture will let management easily manage a company's asset environment. Finally, management can set alerts to notify them when the temperature or humidity goes wrong. Here are the physical hardware situation. The first part, the Raspberry Pi 3 module board, and the sensor DHT22, and also 32 GB by micro SD card. They can install the Linux OS operation system inside it. After we install the Python package on it, and here is the host name, and we connect the device ID Raspberry Pi, and we need the primary key here. After we run the Python script, the data is sent to Azure Cloud, IoT, and the Stream Analyst. Later now we show the details. Here is our Microsoft Azure Cloud setting. Here we have IoT Hub and the Stream Analyst. First of all, the IoT Hub. We need a host name here. And the second, we need a IoT device name. The device ID here, the Raspberry Pi. And then we need a primary key. Here the primary key in order to connect to IoT Hub. After we connect to IoT Hub, we need to go to the Stream Analyst. Here you can see we have Stream Analyst, the IoT Hub as an input here, and the output to the Power BI. And here is the run the query, the humidity and the temperature. Finally, we can log in our Power BI, the workplace, and here you can see the temperature is 22.8 and the humidity is 60.4. And here is the output chart. This one is a line chart, the right hand side, and the down humidity is a bar chart. Finally, why cell tower hub need it? What is inside the cell tower hub? Let's see this video.
Hello. Here is the inside of the cell. There's what I just wired. There's what I used to do. I used to put them fucking batteries in. Rectifiers. Back of the shit I just wired. This RF stuff. And
As you see in the video, it is much easier and low cost to use Raspberry Pi and the Azure Cloud to monitor location situations. Here you can see the alert setting the rules. We can set up an alert to notify a management when a thing goes wrong. Here I have example 2 hard alert. Then you can set up the resource, where it comes from, the scope, then condition. Then you can go inside to check the matrix, what's going on. Then we go down to actions. The manager, we can set up the display name and how to notify. Here we can set up the email or SMS or Azure app push notifications or voice. Final, here are our references. Thank you for your watching the video.